Okay, this is a special treat today. This is the holy grail of mechanical keyboards, the IBM Model M. And here I have a factory sealed box of two Model M keyboards from about 1989. I got these from a seller online that I found through Reddit. And I'm going to open up this box and see what I have here. As he said in his on his webpage, this is as close as you can get to walking into a computer store in the 80s and walking out with a new Model M keyboard. So I don't really know what to expect, but here we go. Open one of these so that I have a spare that's completely sealed. So I'll just put this to the side. Made in USA. And I will open this box. Gotta say, I am like a kid in a candy store here. This is a once in a lifetime experience. Comes with some sort of booklet. Copyright 1985, 1986. Comes with a personal computer hardware reference library. Not sure what this is, but it sounds like it has a bunch of floppy disks in it. Got a computer power cable. And here we have the pièce de résistance. There's yet another box in here. This, I guess, slides out. There we go. Keyboard templates. I'm not going to open these yet. Still sealed in the original carton. Not opened since it was built in 1989 or so. Should have cut the sides. And here we have a Model M keyboard, silver label, a couple of pieces of plastic in there, and already the heft and the quality is apparent. This is much different from the Unicomp Model M. Key action is pretty similar, but the case doesn't have that gap that the Unicomp keyboards have in this area. So it's quite a bit heavier duty. Let's see what the backside looks like. This is the 1390131 part number, made in October 1988, made in USA. Other than that, it looks pretty standard. Has the same style 7/32 screws there in the recessed holes, so I'm going to need a special tool to get out. Has the SDL connector. And underneath the keyboard was a old style SDL to AT connector. I'm going to get a SDL to USB adapter for this. So pretty exciting. See how it types here. Very similar to Unicomp, but not quite the same. The key action feels a little bit more crisp. The caps are about the same as the Unicomp, maybe a little bit thicker, tiny bit thicker. It's barely perceptible. And everything else looks great. So there you have it. This is the Model M keyboard, new in box. And I'm about to hook it up to my workstation, which is not pictured here, but it should give you a pretty good idea. Thanks for watching.